Hi friends, so welcome back. I am looking at doing a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I am on the design team, so I get to feel all fancy about that. Now this kit right here, it is gorgeous and it's full of these rich, deep, saturated colors. So it's actually really fun. Like these touches right here look so whimsical. This is Vicki Boutin Storyteller, and love all things Vicki. The backside has this really great texture. It's kind of like a charcoal on charcoal. But right now I'm feeling these three colors. Let me show you the photo I am thinking of using. Actually, I know I'm using. It's a picture of my son and his girlfriend holding our new puppy, and it is a photo of a Polaroid. So that's fun and cool. There's lots of these really nice deep greens where this comes in really well for. And my son is wearing a red shirt, but it comes off as red-orange in this picture. So I think we can work with that. Now, I'm also looking at the Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches that she does now and again, and this is today's sketch. So, I'm going to use it as inspiration. I have one photo I'm using, not four. So, I'm going to just kind of wing it and see how it goes, but I am loving this sketch. We have some different pieces coming down this way, kind of a big square there, title up here, and some cool decorative bits here. So, I think we can do that. Oh, and a nice decorative bit right in the middle. So that's what I'm going to be working from. You saw my photo. Oh, I didn't tell you about the other two papers I am feeling for this. This one's Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon, and I like the grassy greens in it for this, for obvious reasons. And this side has a couple colors of green. And this paper right here, it is called Slate Double Dot from Bo Bunny. So have that, have this. Oh, and my title is Puppy Love, which are some great thickers that we have in the kit. And I think they're from Amy Tan as well. They're called Grove, and they're foam with cardstock, and it's white foam on the side. So I know I have that so far. Let me get cutting into this. I'm kind of interested in this really great set of Heidi Swapp floral die cuts. I've used them so far as a stencil, the triangle ones, but I'm thinking about using these floral ones as flowers. So don't know what I'm doing with that yet. Oh, and I'm also super feeling these Heidi Swapp stickers. So I'm hoping that I'll find a couple. There's definitions and words that really are kind of speak to me a bit. So what I want to do, trim my photo, map my photo, get kind of an idea like what I want my background to be. I think I want this to be my background. Maybe this be the big square, and some of these teal paint dots and the orange to be those strips on the side. So I'm going to work that out, and I'll come back as soon as I have a little more traction on this. All right, give me a minute. Hey friends, so I have this green paper as well as these two sheets here attached down. I don't have the rest attached down. Then I went through my die cuts and found some that I thought I could use. So that's what we have there. I know my title is going to be up here with this and some kind of die cut bits. I do have to figure out how to anchor this flower piece down. So maybe something like this little season pass, the flower, and something popped up. So something like that. But I wanted to show you the progress that I have. I'm going to go ahead, I think, and leave this photo, which I triple matted that with different scraps and things that we had. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this piece right here was also a scrap and has nothing to do with the photo. I just like the colors. It's going on. I do like to use my scraps first before I cut into the next set of full-size papers. So, phew, that's what I have going on. I'm going to get these things attached down and figure out, like, I know I need my title here. I like the idea of kind of like a visual triangle around all of my flower pieces that I cut out. So I really just have to decide how I want this to go. Now, where this is concerned, these cute little polar bears, our New English Bulldog looks like a polar bear. So, and I keep calling him a polar pup. So that, oddly enough, is going to make sense. So I might have one bear there and one coming down there. Okay, I do like that. gonna get the puppy love going across it, and yeah, I'll come back when I have more progress. All right, my friends, let's finish this up. I have all of these things attached down. Now, I did say I wanted to see if any of these worked. And what I've also done is I went into goodies I bought previously from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I have them to the side. I have this big old mess of enamel dots with a little mouse clip on it. These gorgeous sequins. I mean, look at those colors. There's orange wood grain in there, people. As well as these wood veneer. And I'm looking at the arrows for this right now. So, let's see. I mean, I have a lot going on here, but I always have a lot going on my layout. So, that is not a scary thing. I'm not going to go with black. There is black in this background piece, but I'm not really trying to bring the black forward. So, let's see. I'm getting good vibes. That is kind of cute considering I have a little bit of the radio thing going. So I have all these words going up this way. So I might be able to tuck this one right there underneath that ticket. So that's kind of cute. Yet more wordy bits. Now I want to put one right there. Do I have a little one? Best Babes is kind of cute because they're holding a baby puppy. Hello. So let me go ahead and just, do I want to tuck it under this ticket too? I think so. I like that Best Babes. That's cute. And some of them are a little wonky, so that's kind of cute. Now let's see if we can get a couple over here. Let's see. Gang, a group of people with compatible taste or mutual interests who gather together for social reasons. Do you think they're a gang? Do they look gangy? Is gangy a word? I don't know. All right, let's just go with oh wow and oh hey on this one. So I like this going on a wonky and this one going a little bit more straight right across there. Just so I have some of the wordy bits. I love the word bits. Okay, now let's take a look next at this wood veneer that I'm bringing in from a previous kit. I think I'm bringing it in. I just gotta see how it looks when I get the whole thing going. Now I don't need giant arrows. So, okay, that might look cute like that. It's one of the bigger, more prominent arrows. And then, let's see. Let's see. Do we want this super curly Q one that points to the words? That's cute. Now, I wish I had a straight one, but there's not a whole lot we can do about being the boss of these, considering we didn't make them. Like, I don't want to point at his tushy. That doesn't do anything. You know, I could put a good wordy bit right there, come to think of it. Remember is cute. See, it seems like gang should be at least 3 people, so that's the only reason why I'm not putting there. Blah, 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 forever. Blessed seems ever so appropriate for this situation. So let's go ahead and get blessed in there. Now, I want you to be able to see it, so I'm going to come out slightly from there. Having those little lacy floral bits really make me happy. Okay, so I have that. Now we have to, I feel like maybe the sticker should be on top. I wish you guys were here. I wish I could do this live, but you know, it's for a design team thing. All right, I'm gonna have it go right under this bare area, which then can help me stick down that little floral piece more. Okay. So now this can point to that definition, which I think is cute. Okay, let's get a little adhesive so we don't think too long about it, because I don't like thinking too long. I just like to get it done, and a lot of times it looks, you know, a little bit more true to, I don't know, maybe just creativity, not like worrying nonstop about design principle and all that kind of stuff. So do we want it? Yeah, I don't want it to go from the bear, but oh, okay, it's going from the bear because I want you to see the definition. I'll hold it for a second, and then let's get this oh wow one on here. Connecting some of those pieces. Cute. I'm going to put a little bit of liquid adhesive here now that I can hide it so that that rose piece will stay down better. And the last thing I want to do is I'm going to go through and look at enamel dots and see about enamel dots and sequins, or I don't know. We'll see. We will see. All right, I'm going to get those on and I'll come back and show you my finished up project. All right, my friends, I am finished up with it. I just added some of the enamel dots and one of these bronzy color sequins that I thought was so gorgeous. Slight metallic vibe going on. Now, do I have a lot going on with this, with all the patterns? Yes. Does that bother me? Absolutely not. So here's my Polar Pup with my little wordy bits. I've got these fun banner pieces. My Polar Pup is recognized again here. Kind of tone on tone with my title. Little bit of title work going across. So I did end up with 3 clusters, and these gorgeous lacy flower bits of joy are on the sides. Because I really wanted to use the these Heidi Swapp kind of paper. They're templates, they're papers, or whatever. They're kind of sturdy. I wanted to use them in 2 different ways because we got like 2 triangles, 2 florals, whatever. So I have 4 of them that I get to use as stencils and 4 that I get to use just for paper crafting. So this is what I have today. I hope you like what I came up with, and I will be back ever so soon with another layout. Oh, and down below I will have the links to all the goodies that you need to know for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.